Okay, so section 4 test, honors government. Let me tell you, it's worth 54 points, not 55. Okay, at the top, you guys can see, knowing the current leadership of Congress. Okay, so that's going to be multiple questions. No whips. So I think it's page 101 in your book, maybe? 74. 74 in your book. You can find the leadership of both parties, okay? So you'll need to know their names. And then, of course, the Kansas delegation being your 2 senators that represent you and the member of the House for the 4th District of Kansas, which, of course, is Ron Estes. Okay, so Jerry Moran, Roger Marshall, Ron Estes are your elected representatives in Washington, D.C. Yes? Okay. So leadership and those people. Okay, so those are all going to be fill in the blank questions. So when I talk about how many of those there are 15 matching. Okay, now of those 15 matching, several of those questions will be answered with A or B. A is Senate, B is House. So I say something akin to anytime Congress is going to spend your money or tax you, that legislation must begin in the House. A or B, House. Okay, so there's like 6 or 7 of those where you have to differentiate between the House and the Senate, okay, in the matching. The other matching questions deal with this stuff right here. Okay? Good? Which is all in your notes that I provided for you on Canvas. Okay? Now, then we get to the fill in the blank. So you have your leadership questions and your representative questions. Okay? Then there are some fill in the blanks that deal with Congress as a whole, positions within Congress, membership, how many, these types of questions, okay, elections. Then, I'm sorry, total of fill in the blank. 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of those 14 are people. Names. Human beings. Jerry Moran. Okay. Short answer. Okay, I've got a section of 4 2-pointers. Okay. These are general questions over the notes. Name 2, name 2, give 4. That's easy. Give 2 advantages. Then we get to how a bill becomes a law, okay? And we have 5 1-point questions. In what stage? Who decides? What is the person called? Who decides? What does it take? Those are short answers with 1 point each. Then there's a section of 2-point short answers on how a bill becomes a law. Other than A, what options? Why are? after a bill, what is the role? And discuss the importance of. And that's it. Not a brutal test here, guys. It's not super hard. Okay? But, I mean, if you've been paying attention, you can take it right now. And most of you would do good on it. Seriously. You can take it right now. I know most of you would do good on it. Now, it's about studying some of the details, go back through the notes a few times, know the differences between a patent and a copyright, these sorts of things. And remember, I have inherent powers, implied powers, recognizing the differences of those, okay? And you're good. Okay? Yay! Like and subscribe.